All right, what's going on there, guys? Drone worship coming to you from beautiful Tampa, Florida, and today we have this fun one here from RC Moment. This is the FPV shuttle with 800 TVL CMOS camera and 5.8 live feed on a 250 milliamp 45C output discharge battery. This has an F3 flight controller, meaning you can install beta flight, you can perform acro moves, and it's on a 65 millimeter frame. I have not set this up for beta flight yet. I just have the basics set up on my GoolRC FlySky i6 clone transmitter here. Just like I said, the very basics. Later on we'll be installing beta flight and all that. This comes ready to pair with FlySky. I think they also have FlySky and FlySky, so I ordered, they sent me the FlySky version of this for the T36S, which did not take long to get it connected. Very, very basic binding procedure. We will be flying this today on the Eachine VRD2s, and from what I understand, this thing's about as aggressive as the Kongs are. So very affordable option for FPV. If you already have goggles, these are about $100. These are the Eachine VRD2s, and this transmitter is about $45. Pre-programmable. I forgot how many programmable quads you can put on this, but very, very affordable transmitter, the GoolRC i6. This is the GC6 edition, but like I said, it's a rebrand. But works very well. I also use this for my flight simulator because it has the trainer cord and all the other fun stuff, but very easy setup, easy to understand. So this comes to you courtesy of RC Moment. They wanted me to give this a test for you guys, so I'm going to. I did get an opportunity to play with it last night, and I gotta say it's actually got a very aggressive pitch rate. So we're gonna be flying this in stabilized, but it does have the F3 flight controller, so if you take off the hood here, you can actually connect this to beta flight or clean flight and get yourself set up with some acro, horizon mode, all that fun stuff. So very cool. It does seem to have quite a bit of power for a small micro or a tiny whoop series. So what I am going to be doing is recording this to my DVR on my goggles, so you'll get to see what the camera looks like, and we're going to take this thing around here and find out what kind of flight time we get. I got a very fun play area. Luckily it's not too windy today. It keeps coming and going. So let's get this thing in the air, and I'll see you guys in a sec.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, dying times here.
All right, so what do I think? I think it's fast, even in stabilized mode. It was getting blown around a little bit by the breeze while I was out here, so it was kind of flying sideways a lot of the time, and I would have to slow down, make some quick adjustments. Other than that, it was fun. I will tell you, the camera output was kind of laggy compared to what I'm used to. Not so much laggy, but it had a lot of static and breakup. I'll try it on some other channels later on, but I was able to make it down there pretty far. I managed to get down there by the neighbor's house, go through the trees. It's only running on 25 milliwatts, so I didn't expect, you know, magical things to happen, but you know, it was definitely holding its own. For a micro, this would be a lot of fun, I think, for a lot of people. It is very fast, and the fact that it has an F3 flight board is very cool. For more of you advanced pilots or intermediate pilots that are getting into acro, you would definitely be able to fly this, upload your beta flight, and have a lot of fun with this. So this is the GoolRC T36S from RC Moment. I will go ahead and put the purchase link below. If any of you guys are interested in it, go ahead and check that out in the description, and I will catch you guys on the flip, man. Toodaloo.